A good rental center will stock professional grade tools, which means you'll get the job done more easily and have better results. When should you rent versus buy? Well, if you're going to refinish your wood floors, jackhammer some concrete, or set a dozen posts for your new fence, you probably want to consider renting those tools. It's going to be a while before you'll need them again. They're expensive to purchase, and then you've got the problem of storing them. On the other hand, if you're going to bore a few holes, cut some wood, or tile your 2 bathrooms and kitchen, you might want to consider purchasing a tool. My rule is the more general use the tool is, and the more times I think I'm going to use it, the stronger the case for a purchase. Now, not all tool setters are created equal, so be sure and choose one whose tools are clean and in good repair. And if you haven't operated the tool or machinery you're about to rent, ask for some hands-on instructions. These guys know their tools, right? Finally, make sure you pick up the supplies or accessories that you'll need. Gotta go, wife's waiting for this.